now at Namekus. It is a beautiful evening. You could probably see the lake behind me, maybe. I think you can see that. Well, good morning, everybody. We had a relatively good sleep. I think we're gonna walk down to the beach. We were gonna go kayaking today, but it looks like it might be a biking day just because of the wind. 30 gusts of 50-kilometer winds today. I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear the gusting wind probably. Actually, the water doesn't even look too bad here. Let's see. So we wanted to go all the way around Namekus. It's 10 kilometers all the way around. And so I don't know if we'll end up doing that. Hopefully we'll have a nice day tomorrow, or maybe in the evening sometime. Well, we made it back from town. We had a nice ride on the bikes. We watched the ice melt. Just about, like, everything that we seen in the morning was just about gone by the time we left town. That is Waskesiu. How's my hair? What's that thing doing right there? That's interesting. Well, what I want to show you is Master Chef Jessica. Here.
Hi.
And she is making
Steak with mushrooms and peppers.
Well, I'm ready. Should I put you through this, or let's taste and then you can watch for my reaction. Ready? Ready? So good. Well, it's kind of a chilly night here, so we got a nice fire by the water. Sorry about that. Breaking all the videography rules. But then look at this. Okay, so incredible fire, so that's something. But look at this. Who's that? What is she doing? Really? Let's go check in with her. Are you warm in there?
Yes, and cozy.
Okay. All right, thanks for letting us check in with you. Here's the fire. Nice. Now YouTube knows not only do you have your sleeping bag in front of the campfire, but you also eat pizza bread in your sleeping bag.
It's worth it.
Good morning, folks. We are on day 3. Today we're going to take the kayaks out and we're gonna head out on Namekus Lake. It's gonna be about 10 kilometers, I figure, and so I don't know how long it's gonna take. We're just gonna take our time. Just want to show you a few items we're gonna bring with us here. I'm not gonna list everything, but just have a look at the table there. You got water and some safety stuff. Also, the water is very cold. The ice just got off, so we actually have a little small propane stove and a little bit of fuel, just in case somebody gets wet or something. It's heavy. Hello.
Nice day for it.
Yeah, I hope so. beautiful day here out in the water. The wind is gusty, but for the most part, it's pretty calm. I have an unfair advantage with Jess here. She's got a wider, more recreation kayak, whereas mine is just a lot narrower and longer, so it cuts the water easier. So we're gonna switch on the way back. There's an inlet to like a creek that runs between Namekus Lake and Trappers Lake. Anyway, we're gonna see that, and we could, if we had time, we could kayak that and actually make it to Trappers Lake. But I think our goal today is maybe just to go around the lake and see what we can see. Wind is picking up and we may have a little bit of a battle to get back. We've now found the connecting point between Trappers Lake and Namekus Lake. So the campground is that way. There's actually a line between the national park and the provincial park where it just crosses over, and the line actually goes through the water, not a real line. But, so we're going to go to that beach, and we're actually going to be in the provincial park. Oh, it looks like white caps between us and our campground. National park, provincial park. National park. No. This life jacket, I just got this. It's an older one, but it as long as it's green here, it is still active and it's still safe to use. You just pull on this and a Michelin man like that. But for kayaking, it's very uncomfortable to have a bunch of padding here. So this is really ideal. It's way more comfortable. So if you do a lot of kayaking, it's probably worth it to get something like this. We're gonna switch it up now, eh? Okay. We're gonna switch it up.
Yeah.
Well, I think we're super glad to be back at camp. It's a fun day, but definitely some sketchy points of the day. But we're having pan scrambler. Yeah, that's with eggs and potatoes and stuff. It's gonna be delicious. So safety first with these plastic knives. Someone could lose a finger, so be careful. That's what you got to do to recover quickly. Get right to the food. So there's your oil. We're gonna light the pan. You probably want to preheat the cast iron before you put the oil in, right? These are farm eggs, aren't they?
Yeah. Delicious.
for another one. Look at that. Well, good morning, friends. We're just leaving Namekus Campground. We are not going to take the scenic route this time because I believe was it 50 gusts of 70-kilometer winds, and as you can see on the road here, this is a very narrow road, and there are down trees all the time. So especially with those winds, so we're going to take the main road out. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button so that you know whenever we put out new videos. And I hope you've enjoyed your time with us, and make sure you come along on the next time we head out somewhere. Cheerio.